So we're looking for B16. What is this size?
B15 to 19.
Okay, go. So they have signs. Oh, that's B15
to 19.
Yeah, we are B. Wait. Going for camping for the second time around. Yoo-hoo. This is ayaw ba? Ngit-ngit na! Mag-sit up kami. So now is 7:42. No, so 7:42 may pong arrive. We're supposed to check in at 5 p.m. Dark na siya. Mag-set up ako din. It's getting dark now. We're almost there! It's just 1 minute. 1 minute. It's a surprise. Basta dire siya sa taas. Sa taas atong kuan. Para na siya.
Ambog, ready na kaligo.
Naamag, ko'y kaliguanan. Nakabutang sa ilang mapa. So, almost there. Almost there. Basta na dire atong camp around the pit. But this one, yes, this one. This one. Baka na sila yung kamin. Oh, that's good. I have ice cream. So we will never feel lonely. Okay, so I think...
Oh my god. Close na oh.
Huh?
Close na.
So we're looking for B16. What is this size?
B15 to 19.
Okay, go. So they have signs. Oh, that's B15
to 19.
Yeah, we are B... Wait, oh my god, why you let your dog like that? You have to put... Oh, sorry.
Oh, B16. Morning. Tanaw ko.
Ala, doon pa dyan sa iro doon. Sige. Atras. Ano mo na ilang sakyanan ginana? Mabasig mo na silang tag-iya. Kasi iwan na sila B19. Oh, dili ko rin yung sakyanan niya. Kakit sa ito ah. Saan ba ya?
Ya. Sakit yun. Likod ron.
Natay pong uy. So we're here guys. Dagko kayong iro mo silingan. So mauni ang site. Also yeah, we can put our tent here. I don't know where. Come. Yeah. Dali na. Trixie. Pwede po di kalibangan siguro di ako. Ay diha oh. Huh? Ari siguro no. Yeah. Huh? Sana pa yung mga caravan na ni. Uy, malilip ito ng bear, Ari. Ay, natay kay Ana, Ari. Oo, nana. Ay, di ba? Sekreto. ani ron. Guys, mo na itong tent. Never pa dyan na itong na-open. So, takabalong na yung mga kulang, ano yung mga ingredients. Ay, data rin yung taron. Okay guys, kain na tayo. Yung ulam namin ay bulgogi with mango. Ka-cute ba sa among kuan? Hey Koy, asa day ta karon?
Camping diri
sa
Masinaw.
Mazinaw.
Mazinaw.
Yes.
Mazinaw.
Lake. Mazinaw Lake. So, nasan may mga silingan. So, sa hindi inaasahan, agay, mga gat naman yung lamok. So, nagpakalit mi, no? Trick sister. Good evening, everyone. So, naka-open ko ano ron, ha? Wala na itabon. Kaya screen ron. Tulog na si anak yan. Kami yan eh. Perteng iga nga. Kira kada ko eh. Yan eh, trick pan. Ngaway kaya kaigan. Good for 3 ben. Napa, good for 4. Napa insert rin to nga. Good morning people. So this is our morning. Beautiful morning. Tara na, kay wa na remus. Nalubat na. Di na kay ma-charge na. Okay, so mag-sorry sa amin sa buntag na. So, mag-camera ka ng mag-hunting. Hunting. Animal hunting. Right now is 6:40. So, magkuanta ka ng mag-sorry sa takay. Kanang para makita itong mga wild animal. Let's go!
What?
Ay, lain na nag-blurred ako.
Guys, wild turkey. Oh, na-episode. Na-episode.
Sa video. So, pwede mo mag...
Lingot ka na lang.
Pwede mo mag... Wala na yun. Pwede mo abangan ng cabin-cabin.
No, those
Ligo
on
tara.
the beach. Magbaktas ata.
Kanya na. Katugon to tang sa...
Kana anak no, murag dahuganan.
Oh, amazing! Great! Yeah. The division was simply this: those who had a standby generator attached to their house.
Where's the beach?
So I can so you're down here. You're at the first intersection. You're gonna make a right.
Right?
Then you're gonna make a left.
Which left?
The first,
This one here.
left,
Ah, okay.
And that's
And then
the
just
main
gonna go
beach.
straight.
But if you don't make the left, you just make the right and head all the way down
So
to the
and
end.
can we go like a tour around? as well?
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
good. Really good. Thank you so much.
Alrighty.
Thank you!
Bye bye. So hamda karon.
So guys, dito karon sa Bon Eco.
Ito na mga kon hamsan. Ulami adire kayo.
Kana.
Ito na yung number.
Okay guys, so we're here at Bon Eco Beach. Meron din silang campground, but hindi kami dito, just nag-day pass lang kami.
Oh.
Di, uy. Sige. Kano number 6, dai. Kana, the only red in the water ko, no? Deo. Sige, sakay. Gibaat na, gibaat. Wala ka. Mati kulbang bitaw ko. Lord. Agay! Ayasa dyan, ayasa dyan. Ayasa. Sige. Joke na eh. Sige. Sige. Ikaw drive. Oh, na. Ay, na-atras, huy. Oh, sige na. Sige na. Tarong diha, ha? Ikaw mag-drive. Oh, pikas na. Mutug pa na tadaplin. Awa na. Awa na. Asa naman eh?
Mo lagi mo bugsay.
Ha?
Mo lagi mo bugsay.
Nawala niya itong buwan na tuyok ng duwa. Pagkasi na ako itong
Guys, look at this place, so nice. Look at that cliff over there. It's beautiful. Oh guys, laom jud guys. Laom kayo lang lake guys. But look at that place, so beautiful. How much more during fall? During the fall. Ah, look at this place. Kita view eh. Bukan na sa kuan dito. May mga tao dito. Agay manong sakit.
Ooh la la.
I saw a guy climbing up there. Look, it's so high. He's a rock climber. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Ang nature, guys. Ang sarap ng hangin.
Deer crossing. Nag-crossing na. Gasunod ba sila? Ayaw ko, huy. Ayaw, huy.
Hello. Hello, baby. Hello, baby ko. Hello, baby ko.
Barbecue. Lord. Hello, barbecue.
Hello, barbecue.
Mo barbecue sila.
Kaya nila.
Okay, sa unexpected. Oh my gosh, I'm so tan. Okay, nag-moose hunting kami. Tapos, nakarating kami ng Algonquin. South. So now, ano lang, mag-chill-chill muna kami. Pwede malaging pang parking ani. I feel so good.